Today, one of my people, welcome to Igbo Area TV. Today, we bring you big news from across Southeast states, Abia, Anambra, Enugu, Ebonyi, and Imo states. From quiet moves to free Nnamdi Kanu to other interesting stories. Now, let's go to number one story we have today, Otti and Nnamdi Kanu's talk. Governor Alex Otti of Abia State has confirmed that Southeast governors are talking with federal government about the release of IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu. Otti said he is in the forefront of ensuring that he comes back, but details are not for public consumption now. This is important because Kanu's case has caused years of tension, security issues, and political divisions. My people, this is the first time in a long while we are hearing that the governors are united and working quietly. It may not be fast, but it shows that dialogue is happening. If Kanu is released, it could reduce fear, calm agitation, and give Southeast a stronger voice in the national politics. Apart from that, whatever has come as a result of sit at home will be calmed down. Certainly. Part of the reason why the insecurity in Southeast heightened was because of Nnamdi Kanu's detention. So let's move on to the next story. U.S. ambassador endorses Otti. Otti again in the news. Now, this is what we have here. The United States ambassador to Nigeria, Richard Mills, visited Governor Otti and praised his leadership, especially his work on roads, security, and small businesses. The U.S. says it sees opportunities for trade and investment in Abia State. Now, they were big off if investment Abia. Abroad also investment in Docha, Mande buy, Mande Nogasin and Nigeria, on your yacho. It does it has your nod on the Madabia. It was ready. You see, this thing about Governor Otti fixing the road, it is so visible. When you're doing a good works, you don't need to go advertising it. From flyover, hope was a malolof. Flyover Amano 2 kilometers. You go everywhere. It's a gay gas as a cha. Manoti Jihwa na alumke na alo. Afia malum mane alone ezioku. Afia malum mane alone. Nene 14 na alo. Oti ori na advertise here. I want Nigeria na government. Oti aye me campaign second time. Second time ya just bia. Otti and Abia senior Otti. I'm at 95% at least. Man, unless na hejego under the car, this man not Abia State. Even at Mozia. Oji Kaloha. Unless na has a Sonya. Wolu Gariga anime. Wolu Amajaganya anime Gari. Man, Andocha. Onwe funi etinya na Abia, tinya na Abia. Ebo na kpoto kan neje. Akwene wata. Ebo na kpoto kan neje. So international support like this can bring investors and create jobs. But let us remember, foreign praise is good, but our people will judge by how businesses grow and how many youths get work. Amana enyekuo Governor Otti chance. Oye mekari otua. They can say go no bosia. Ona achoke weta oku. Abro so say ebe wetala oku ka ocho ka ha nwo ka ocho ka ebe ndo ozo nwokwu oku. One of the key things obodo needed was inweta security, then inweta electricity, nandozo pipe bomb, good pipe bomb water system, everything. Although investors friendly. Upon na water. Ngwana ka jezi na Anambra. Anambra State has been ranked among the top 3 global tech hubs at a major innovation conference in Beijing, China. The recognition comes from the Solution Innovation District, part of the Governor Soludo's plan to build a 1 million strong digital tribe of young tech creators. This is big. It means that our youths can compete with the best in the world, right from Oka, Onisha, and Nnewi. If supported with steady power and internet, this digital tribe can create jobs and reduce the rush to leave Nigeria. Ndị bay na compete with ndị ọcha. Abrota, mambe Peter Mbah, mambe Obiano no. Anambra youth ejego pụọ win wo ife gbasara tech. Imagine ninyere ha ụdị support ndị ọcha nwere. Anyị akụpụ onye ọwụna. Ọ bụrụ taa ka o bidola, ọ Soludo wetara ya. O mewego tupu Soludo bịa. Soludo anyị fụkwarugo. Still in Anambra State, according to them, they said sit-at-home is losing power. Anambra State official says that Monday sit-at-home is now largely defeated. Banks and businesses are opening and people are no longer attacked for working on Mondays, according to them. Well, if that is true, it is a strong signal. It shows that fear can be broken when people unite and government provides security. Some rural areas still stay indoors out of fear, but the tide is turning. Ending the sit-at-home further will boost the economy and free our people from psychological chains. Yes, that is true. And part of what we end the sit-at-home is if Nnamdi Kanu is released. That one is automatic ending. This one is they are trying to artificially, make it, repress it. But if you want it to die down totally, releasing Nnamdi Kanu, you don't even need to announce sit-at-home end. It will end. People will come out. People will know that this has been what has caused the sit-at-home and heightened insecurity. Let's get to the fifth story. Enugu Smart Green School. We talked about it the other day. Governor Enugu, tech governor call. Enugu has started opening Smart Green School, like we told you, 260 world-class rooms. World-class schools with digital classrooms, robotic labs, e-libraries, solar power, and even free meals and uniform. Imagine, ụmụ akwụkwọ ya na-amasị akwụkwọ ike, ụbụrụ ya akpọ isi, o nwere ụdị environment ya nọ etu a na-agụ akwụkwọ. Ife dị na-agụ na-aba, ifụkwa result ya na-adị, based on ife etinye n'isi na environment na ife ndị ọzọ, ife ọmụmụ zuru ezu. Kele ụdị ife ya na-achịnye ọkụ. O wee wụrụ ya. And this is the kind of investment that changes a people forever. When our children learn technology and agriculture with their own hands, they will create jobs instead of waiting for government jobs. It is costly, yes, but the wealth of the future is human talent. Let's connect the dots, my people. I hope you can see the pattern already. The quiet talks to free Nnamdi Kanu, the foreign recognition for leadership and good governance in Abia State, Anambra youths getting global awards, then Enugu building schools of the future. All this show that the Southeast is beginning to move from endless agitation to smart development. Yes, challenges remain: corruption, poor roads, and unemployment, but these signs are proof that with unity, Igbo nation can shape its own destiny inside Nigeria and Peace and progress are not gifts from Abuja. They are built here at home. Support these positive moves. Hold leaders accountable. And as we wait for updates on Nnamdi Kanu, let us continue to push for dialogue, education, and innovation. What do you think, my people? Should the governors reveal more about their talks, or is quiet diplomacy the best way to free Nnamdi Kanu? Share your thoughts in the comments. I am Azoka OJ, and this is Igbo Area TV, where we tell our own stories. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this. Bye-bye for now.